Welcome to Trip into Trivia, the ultimate challenge for curious minds. Are you ready to explore the world one question at a time? Each episode, we uncover the wonders of a new country, testing your knowledge with 50 engaging trivia questions, exploring history, culture, food, and more. Today, we're heading to India, so get ready to unlock fascinating facts, expand your global knowledge, and of course, have some fun. Let's get started. What is the capital city of India? New Delhi. Which Indian river is considered the holiest? Ganges, Ganga. What is the national animal of India? Bengal tiger. Which Indian city is known as the Pink City? Jaipur. What currency is used in India? Indian rupee, INR. What is the national sport of India? Field hockey. What mountain range forms the northern border of India? The Himalayas. In which year did India gain independence from British rule? 1947. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. What is the longest river in India? Ganges. What Indian festival is known as the Festival of Lights? Diwali. What is the official language of the Indian government? Hindi and English. Which Indian state is the largest by area? Rajasthan. Which Indian monument is one of the 7 wonders of the world? Taj Mahal. What is the national bird of India? Indian peacock. What is the smallest state in India by area? Goa. Which Indian city is famous for its film industry known as Bollywood? Mumbai. What does Namaste mean in English? I bow to you. What is the staple food in southern India? Rice. Which Indian state has the highest population? Uttar Pradesh. What year was the Indian Constitution adopted? 1950. What is India's national tree? Banyan tree. What is the traditional Indian dress for women? Sari. What is the Indian classical dance from Kerala? Kathakali. What sea lies to the west of India? Arabian Sea. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Kerala. What Indian festival celebrates colors? Holi. What does Satyagraha mean? Nonviolent resistance. Which Indian state is known for tea production? Assam. What is the traditional Indian drink made with yogurt and spices? Lassi. What type of government does India have? Federal Parliamentary Republic. What is the national fruit of India? Mango. Which Indian river flows into the Arabian Sea? Narmada. What is the major religion practiced in India? Hinduism. In which city is the Golden Temple located? Amritsar. Which famous Indian leader is known as Bapu? Mahatma Gandhi. What is the highest mountain peak in India? Kanchenjunga. What Indian sport originated from the ancient game Chaturanga? Chess. What state is known for the Sun Temple at Konark? Odisha. What is the largest desert in India? Thar Desert. Which port city is known as the Gateway of India? Mumbai. Which Indian festival is associated with kites? Makar Sankranti. What is the main ingredient in Indian dish dal? Lentils. What is the Hindi word for freedom? Azadi. What is the sacred syllable in Hinduism representing the universe? Om. Which Indian state has the longest coastline? Gujarat. Which classical dance form originates from Manipur? Manipuri. Which Indian state is known as the Land of Five Rivers? Punjab. Which is the only Indian state with a Portuguese colonial history? Goa. Which Indian city is known for its IT and tech companies? That's a wrap on this trivia adventure. Did you conquer the challenge? Whether you got every question right or discovered something new, we are thrilled to have you on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another episode of Trip into Trivia. Drop a comment and let us know which question stumped you the most. What country should we explore next? Next stop, Spain. Stay tuned.